You don't just run a building, you run operations, teams, deadlines. Productivity depends on precision, performance depends on reliability, and comfort isn't a luxury, it's essential. That's why HVAC shouldn't be a once-off project, it should be a partnership. From design and installation to ongoing maintenance and optimization, we stand beside you, protecting uptime, efficiency, and long-term value. When your environment works flawlessly, so does your business. Multi-net systems, industrial and commercial HVAC solutions. A partnership built on trust, performance you can rely on.